came here because I thought you wouldn't.
Sorry. I had nowhere else to turn. You see the truth. I walk the halls.
To him, we are just things.
I climb the walls.
Weapons with no face that he can just throw away. Because there is always more.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world.
Well, then you were fooling yourself. Because pain and suffering is every day, and we are both still a trained killer. Except I'm not the one that's on the cover of a magazine. I'm not the killer that little girls call their hero.
I should wake up every morning and feel like this, remembering every drop of blood I spilled.
Look at me. I have never betrayed you, ever.
You were brainwashed.
What you experience was psychological conditioning. I'm talking about chemically altering brain functions. They're two completely different things. You're fully conscious, but you don't know which part is you. I'm still not sure.
I'm sorry. This is so weird and messed up.
You believe me now?
In truth, I kind of just lost myself.
The best part of my life was fake, and none of you told me.
Us against the world.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world.
We're both upside down.
To be heard.
Sybil said, there is no future where Daisy Johnson lets her sister fight alone.
Always loved the stranger inside.
She was right.